What's good, everyone? So for today, this could be for the 05 RSX Type S. We're going to be installing the Strut King shift boot, red stitching leather stitch shift boot into my center console. Now I've already got this removed, but we're going to be putting this on there, and I'm missing the staples on this for the most part, so we'll be putting some replacement staples onto it also to secure the shift boot in place. So let's get you a good look at the quality of this. And for the price of it compared to the Acura Type R shift boot, it's not bad for $35, and everything's already pre-cut so that it'll fit into the center console like nothing, so you won't have to worry about cutting like you do with all the other shift boots that you can get out there in the market. You can get the JDM look, just plug and play, fit into each of the little grooves of it like that. So we're gonna be putting this in, and this is a little collar that I had that I decided to use along with this. Now, one thing about the Strut King shift boot is that it does not come with a collar on top. So if you don't buy a collar with it, or from the website, or you don't have a replacement collar, you're just gonna have a big old hole in the middle right here. So don't forget the collar. Anyways, if you end up needing to replace the staples on your center console, because mine were missing, so I need to get some staples for it so that you just secure the shift boot in place. You always go to Home Depot and do what I did, and you can pick up these staples right here. This is what I picked up, and they're very good replacements for it. They're really small, and hey, look, it actually fits to the actual size like they advertise. Oh, look at that. So, hey, it's right on the spot. Money. I've got one piece put into, you're gonna need about 7 of them. Two in the front, 1 in the back, and 2 on each of the sides. Now this size works well for it, but it may be a little bit on the thicker side, so it might be a little tough to get it into there. But I've got one of them on there already, and I think this is gonna be perfect just to get everything right, to put everything in there good. So once we pop the shift boot in there, this little part of the bad boy gonna go to the side of it, and boom, secure it in, lock it down just like that. And if you need to prime the shift boot itself, the holes and everything, so the staples fit in good, I would just use like a little pin that you have, if you have one, or you can also use a safety pin. But let's get to it. Start putting this in. kind of got this nicely tucked all around a little bit. Except for this one little piece right there. Now we're gonna move on to prepping it in with the staples, so everything's locked in place and the shift boot doesn't move around. Okay, let's get this going. This is the part where the safety pin comes into place. You use a safety pin or like the sewing needle. So I've already got one staple in there already pressed through. So what you can do is to prime it, or you can just stick it straight through and just get it lined up and just poke it through so you have your hole ready with the smaller needle, so your staples going a lot easier. See it go through right there. This one hole primed, and then we'll get it mocked up with the other one and poke it through, and of course be careful with your fingers too. So now your staple can go through there, and you're not really gonna be able to see the hole you just made, but it should be there. Once you get it in, you just lock it in through like that, and it should be good. It shouldn't go anywhere. A tip when you get your staples in there, and you want to get a tighter fit to it, what you can do is get a small flathead like this and press it down against it with your finger, just to press it down harder to secure it in a little bit better, just like that. You got another piece over there too. Press it in. You have a nice secure fit with your staple. And got another one right here. Instead of using your fingers, this will put it in good. Alright, now that we got this all in there, everything all stapled up and pressed in, it's nice and secure all around. What we're gonna do is put the trim ring on there, give it a nice complete look. Let's see which way it goes. I don't remember which way it goes on there. Little clips. But once you get that in there, just put everything back in on the center console. And it should be looking nice and gravy again. This leather, it is a bit of a tight fit. No doubt, nonetheless, it should get in there. And that's looking a heck of a lot better. And there it is, folks. This is the Strut King shift boot. And I'll give you a small look on how it looks inside the car also. For the most part, this part is done. What's good, everyone? So here's how the Strut King shift boot looks all around in its natural glory. And I had the tan interior, so it's not too bad. Overall, I'm very impressed with how it is. But, you know, this is how it is. If you like this install, stay tuned, and I'll have more to come. And shoot me a subscribe if you like. Peace.
空給百千丈，眼光萬里長。